In this video, we will explore Google Drive, show you how all of your stuff is saved there in the Google Cloud. To get to Google Drive, you go ahead and bring up Google Chrome or another web browser. And when you're there, it depends on what it looks like. If you're already logged in here, you can go from your waffle menu right here. It's called your waffle menu. You can click here and click on Google Drive. You can also type in drive.google.com. Either way will get you to the same place. Okay? If you're not signed in, it'll ask you to sign in using your school account. If you're already signed in, your Google Drive will come up. Now, your Google Drive is the place where all of your files and your work is stored in the cloud. So there's a few different things you can do. First of all, to stay nice and organized, you can see how organized I am here, and I have thousands of files in my Google Drive, but I'm very organized because I use folders. So to create a folder, you simply go to New and Create Folder. New folder. And you name it what you would like it to be called. Like you can call it Tech Apps, and you can click Create. When you're done, this will be a folder that you can keep different things in. Okay, so that's how you create folders. If you wanted to upload something that's on your computer and not in the cloud, you go where you want to upload it. Let's say we want to put it in Tech Apps. We double click to open the folder, and you go to New, File, Upload. That's when we can come and go to places like under your downloads folder. If you ever downloaded something from the internet and you want to put it in your drive, this is where you would do it. Okay, so you would go to downloads, or you would find it on your computer wherever it is, and then you would simply click it and click open, and it'll upload it into your Tech Apps folder, and it'll be there in the cloud waiting for you. Okay. You can also create from right inside of Google Drive. You should always start in Google Drive for everything, because no matter what you want to create, you go in. It's a good idea to go into the folder you're going to keep it in. So let's say you're in Tech Apps class and you open Tech Apps. Now you go to New and look at the things you can create. You can create a new Google Doc, which is for typing things up and word processing. A new Google Sheet, which is for spreadsheets, numbers, and things like that. A Google Slides for slideshows. And there's more when you click here. A form, drawings, and the other things. So this is where you create something new. Let's say you wanted to create a new Google Doc. You're going to click on it, and it's going to open a brand new Google Doc ready for you to type in and type up whatever you want to type up. Okay. Keep in mind, whenever you start a new file, a document or a Google slideshow or a spreadsheet, you always want to give it a name up here. Otherwise, it'll be called Untitled Document, and you'll have a lot of files in your Google Drive called Untitled Document, and it'll be hard to find what you're looking for. So let's say this is a review that we're doing for our Tech Apps test. So I may say Tech Apps Test Review. Okay? And then here you type whatever you want to type. Chapter 1, whatever you want to type for this is how you would do it. Okay. Now, keep in mind, it's always saving by itself, so you never have to press a save button or anything like that. It's saving. So when we're done and we click close on this, notice how when we go back, when we go back into Tech Apps, there it is. That's the one we were working on. Okay. The last thing I wanted to show you is how to share a file. Let's say you created a file and you wanted someone else to see it or even be able to work on it with you at the same time. Okay, we're going to go back to our drive, and you decide on which file you want to share. You choose it, and you can do a couple of different things, but the best thing to do is just click it once to highlight it, and then click on the little Add Person. At this point, you can type in the name you're looking for. If you're trying for your teacher, you can start typing their name, and you just click Send, and it'll send them.